Hey everyone, Dr. Lee Brown here. Wanted to share another amazing smile success story from one of our patients. It's a patient I've known for a long, long time and just a great guy. And we've been talking about some of his older dental work that's in there, and you could gradually start to see things start to go bad, just like we can see in our house sometimes. Sometimes the writing's on the wall that, we need new tile, we need new flooring. And one of the great perspectives he had was, he said, Lee, I know this is coming. I know this is getting worse. It's not getting better. So instead of me waiting for it to just break and there's a catastrophe, let's get to it now. I'm in town this spring, this summer. Let's get it done, and let's get it done right. So as you can see from the photographs, this is kind of where we started. There was some kind of mismatched dentistry that had happened over the years, some wear, some chipping, things like that. And so we jumped in, we were able to pre-plan, come up with a blueprint for the case and rebuild it. So not only is it stronger and we don't have to deal with emergencies, but it's more aesthetic too. He's happier with the appearance, and he's happy now because he doesn't have to worry about things. So it's really, really smart to take that approach with anything in your health, and we especially can help with that with your dental health. So if you have any questions for us, give me a call. We'll see you soon.